Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to find Instagram username and password. So first is go to your Instagram app. Finding your username is super simple. So let's go to the bottom right corner of the screen and press your profile photo. Once you're at the profile, you can see at the top your username. All you have to do is go to your profile to figure out your username is. Instagram does not give you a password, and that would be a security issue. So if you don't remember your password, there is a suggestion I have. If you go to the three lines in the upper right corner, go to settings, and then go to security. You can click on Save Login Info. Make sure this is toggled on. That way, you won't have to actually remember your password. Log into your account. All you have to do is log out, then click on your username. To log back in, then remember anything. Now, if you want to change your password, you need to go back and click password. And this is how you change your password. But you need to know your current password is to change a new one. There is no way to find out what your current password is on Instagram. Again, they don't tell you that. But in order to avoid getting logged out, if you press the Save Login Info and toggle that, you won't really need to remember your password unless you're logging in to new device. So I hope this video will help you. If you have any questions about this video, put it on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and like.